I'm here with my blender because I'm going to make the rice, but before I'm going to make the mix for my rice. Cup of water. I'm going to use a little piece of onion, a little cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to mix. We're gonna come back to the stove. Now we're going to use oil to use 1 cup of rice. And we're gonna stir because I wanted my rice change of color a little bit brown or golden. My temperature for my rice right now is medium heat. Right now, if you see it's changing the color, and I'm going to wait a little bit more because I would like that all my rice change the color. Couple minutes more. I'm going to put my cup of water. Put the one. Then I'm gonna put my mix 2 cup of water by 1 of rice. Right now I'm gonna stir. Then I'm gonna add chicken bouillon. Enough. I don't gonna put salt because this is a little bit salty and I don't wanna pass of salt. And when I make any correction for the rice, I'm going to see if I can put a little more chicken bouillon or I can change for salt. You know, right now my rice is boiling and we want to wait, evaporate a little more the water, and we're gonna try for 10 or 15 minutes more. If I can see the rice needed a little more water, I'm gonna put it. In this case, I'm going to put a little more water. I'm going to add a half a cup of water. Before the water evaporates, I'm going to make any correction. Perfect. I'm going to cover my rice for minutes. I'm going to turn the heat down. My rice looks really beautiful now. After 7 minutes, I'm gonna check if my rice is ready. Yeah, it's ready. Looks so beautiful. Beautiful rice. Beautiful rice. Okay, it's done. I'm going to turn off the stove.